Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I got me another dash cam from Viofo. This is probably my third dash cam that I've gotten from them. They are the sponsor of this video, by the way. So just an FYI, they did not write this script or anything like that. They literally just sent me this product and said, hey, test it out. So that's what we're doing today. This one right here, 4K for the front camera and 2K for the back camera. Now, some of the dual channel one that I usually have seen only do like 720p on the back camera, and then on the front camera they probably do like 2K. This is like upgraded because of the new Sony Starvis 2 image sensor. That's why they're able to do this. And so anyway, today we're gonna test this thing out. I'm gonna let you guys see what the quality looks like. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be amazing. This is my first time seeing it, so bear with me. Let's do it. Voila. All right, we got ourselves how to hook everything up. Pretty easy there. Here is the front camera. That's a pretty big screen. How big is this screen? Is it 2 inch? 2.4 inch. Over here we got a micro SD card slot. And then on the top right here, this is where you plug the power to this entire thing in. You can adjust it right there once you mount this on your dash. Got a lot of like place where it disperses the heat, because you know, if this thing is going to be on your windshield, the sun's going to hit directly at it and it's going to be constantly under like burning heat. That's what I notice about these dash cam. They have to figure that out, like how to make it so that the camera cools down and still record, you know? All right, this is the back camera, which is tiny little thing here. This is a USB-C once again. I'm glad they went with all USB-C because it's pretty standard now, right? I mean, even Apple has gone with USB-C. Let's remove that. So that's right there is the 2K. Then you got yourself some screen protector. There's 2 of these. Then it shows you how to like route your wires and stuff like that, which I've already done it in my car. So we're gonna go out there and we're gonna hook this thing up because it's pre-routed already. There's some extra stickers here in case yours, you know, you didn't like the spot that you had stick it in. This is a USB-C cord, just a short one. This is just a short one. Look at this. They got a ND filter, I would say, that goes on the actual camera, just in case, you know, it's way too bright. That's cool that they included that. And then this is, okay, this is the power cord. I guess it's got to be pretty long if you're going to route it all over your car, right? So yeah, this is the power cord, and it comes with a serial lighter adapter with 2 USB ports on it, so that just in case you need to charge your phone too. And then this connects to the back camera. Yeah, the rear camera. So they're very specific. Oh, and by the way, if you see this thing in the box, this is so that you can tuck all your wires in. It's really useful, really useful. I didn't, like the first couple of times, I did not know what they were until I start trying to, like, you know, squeeze wire into the cracks of my car. All right, so I'm pretty sure you guys want to see what the footage looks like. But I'm going to go ahead and plug this thing in and let you see it right now. But then I'm also going to show you live actual footage that I'm out there driving. I may not be able to show like cars with license plate and things like that, so just bear with me on that one. But I'm still going to show you a road test, okay? But yeah, let's go ahead and test this out right now.
Recording. 1 channel started.
Okay, so there we go. You hear that? It says 1 channel started because I haven't hooked up the second camera to it yet. So let's go ahead and hook up the second camera to it and see both recordings. So now right here is saying it's connecting to the back camera.
Recording. 2 channels started.
There we go. 2 channel started. Let me see. Let's see if I can show you here. So that's what it looks like right there. You notice the back camera is right there, the front camera is right here. So it's recording both. It's showing you that it's recording both. So this button right here, all it does is just turn on and off the mic. You know, when you're in the car, it can hear you talk, right? And so you can literally turn off the mic. But if, let's say, if there's voice enabled, so if, let's say, an officer stopped you or something like that, you want to turn on the mic so that, you know, just so that you can have that recording, you know, or when you get into an accident, you want to turn on the mic. So that's a one button right there
Disabled.
to turn on and turn off. Okay. Okay. The Wi-Fi button, actually, the Wi-Fi button swaps the image. See that? So right now the big image is my rear dash cam right here that you see, and then if I press this, it swaps it. So yeah, you're just cycling through whatever image configuration that you want. So it looks like it's recording at 30 frames per second, by the way, just in case you're wondering. That's actually important right there. Most security cam, dash cam and stuff like that, they really don't do the high frame rate, which is, to me, 30 frames per second is sufficient, because when you're filming just like this on a camera, you want either 24 to 60 FPS so that, you know, it looks natural on video. So that's really good. That's really good. Usually they give you like 10 frames per second or something like that. So you know, those security footage that you keep seeing, right? It stutters. So yeah, that's really good. One of the important feature, and you probably don't realize this as you're looking for dash cam, is that, let's say in a scenario where you got into an accident and you want to make sure you save that footage that just happened right there, right? Because the accident just happened. You don't care about any other footage. And so what you want to do is you want to hit this button right here, where it's going to protect that video that's being recorded right there, so that it doesn't get overwritten. Because, you know, the way dash cam works is that the reason why you don't have to swap out memory card when it's full is because it keeps deleting the old footage and then just looping, right? And so it's called loop recording. And so you want to save and lock that footage that the accident just happened, because you're going to want to come back to it. Okay, so there you have it. Now we can go in and we're going to do a little road test on this thing. I need to mount this thing onto my car, and then we're going to do that. All right, let's do it.